In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to Zendesk, settings preview. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with the right permissions in Zendesk, since you'll be adjusting channel settings. From the top right toolbar, open the product tray icon, the one with 4 small squares, and choose Admin Center. This is where you control channels and routing. In the left sidebar, open channels, then go to Talk and Email and select Email. On this page, click Manage Support Addresses. This takes you to the place where all inbound support addresses live and where you'll add or adjust the email that creates tickets in Zendesk. Now it's time to add your support address. You have 2 paths depending on whether you already use an external support inbox or want to start fresh with a Zendesk hosted address. If you already have an external address that your customers use, select Add Address and choose Connect External Address. When prompted, pick Email Forwarding and click Next. Enter your existing support inbox and click Go. This step tells Zendesk which address will forward messages into your account so they become tickets. You'll typically finish by setting up email forwarding in your mail provider so messages are delivered to Zendesk. At this stage, just focus on connecting the address in Zendesk. Any prompts you see about verification or forwarding details will guide you through what to do next in your email system. If you prefer to use a Zendesk hosted address, choose Add Address and select Create New Zendesk Address. Type the short prefix you want in front of your Zendesk subdomain and click Save. This instantly creates a working support address maintained by Zendesk. It's a fast way to start receiving tickets without changing settings in an external mail system, which is great for pilots or when you need a quick, reliable inbox. As a quick overview, you accessed Admin Center from the product tray, navigated to Channels, opened the email settings, clicked Manage Support Addresses, and then either connected an existing external inbox through forwarding or created a brand new Zendesk address. If you're using an external inbox, plan time to complete any forwarding or confirmation steps shown on screen. If you created a Zendesk address, you can begin using it right away. That's it for connecting email to Zendesk in the settings preview. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have a clean, dependable flow of customer messages turning into tickets in no time.